is part 3. Now it's the plane. We made the cars. Now it's the plane. The last one. And now we are unboxing it. You know we have unboxed it. There's not. Unbox it. Oh. We have done it, guys. It took me 5 minutes and it showed 36 seconds. Okay. That's so much difference, and I started 5 minutes early and it's done. Look at this. Woo! No, just look at this. It's now broken.